with the next cool experiment. We're the three kids in our big adventures. Just in case you forgot our names, I'm Ariana.
I'm TJ. I'm Matthew.
And today we're going to make a bird feeder.
It's a good way to attract birds in your yard and do bird watching. And also, birds have less food in the winter, so it's a good way to help them with food.
But first, we're going to need a few things. For this experiment, we need toilet paper rolls,
Pipe cleaners, and bird food, and peanut butter.
Now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to spread peanut butter all over my toilet paper roll. So we finished putting on the peanut butter on our toilet paper rolls. Next, we're going to put the bird seed on the toilet paper rolls. So I'm going to take my toilet paper roll and I'm just going to roll it back and forth in the bird seed. And I'm going to pass it to my brother Matthew. Lastly, you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to poke it through the holes you made earlier. Now you're going to twist it. Well, we hope you make one of these at home. This is the final result. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!